We're here at Liberty by Pulte Homes. Now this community is almost sold out. They're going to be offering one more Franklin floor plan, which is the model that we're going to be touring in this video. Guys, they are accepting offers, so stay tuned. Welcome everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with EXP Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome to Liberty by Pulte Homes. Now, just to give you an idea of where we're located, the nearest cross streets is Cactus and Bermuda. So we're about 10 minutes away from the airport, and we're about 15 to 20 minutes away from the Las Vegas Strip. Really great location. We're close to the 15 freeway. We're really close to Las Vegas Boulevard. So, you know, very central location. This community has been up for a while. They only have 4 more lots that they're going to sell, and they're all going to be spec homes. They're all going to be done in June and July. So actually what I'll do is I'll show you all the spec homes on the screen above. The prices that you see, this is going to be the final, this is going to be the price that includes the lot premium as well as the upgrades. Okay, so they have 2 Jefferson floor plans, 1 Franklin and 1 Hamilton floor plan. All right, as far as the lot square footage, 3 of them are going to be about 4,800. 1 of them is going to be 5,200. And the best thing about it is they are accepting offers. Okay, so great thing. Now HOA is $55 a month. That's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the Franklin floor plan. So the Franklin floor plan is 3,021 plus square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price is $611,990. Only going to offer 1 more Franklin floor plan. It's going to be a spec home. It will be ready June or July. So because it is a spec home, they chose all the options. Now, they put about $64,000 in upgrade. So the total price is going to be $666,420. Now, just remember, okay, they are accepting offers. Okay, so, you know, make sure you get with a good realtor there. So, you know, definitely make sure that we're placing the best offer possible. But yeah, let's check it out. So the spec home is actually going to have 3 bedrooms. So right here, we'll see this nice 8-foot door. So yeah, it's going to offer 3 bedrooms. If you have any questions with the specific details about like the cabinets, the countertop, the flooring, just contact me, reach out to me. You can text me, give me a call, and I will get that information for you. So welcome to the Franklin floor plan. So you're gonna have your powder room right over here, which is nice. It's isolated. Okay, you also have 9-foot ceilings down here. So you have your coat closet. Now, something I like about this floor plan, it feels very open on the first floor. And I love the look. As you can see, you're gonna have these nice slider right over there. It's gonna allow a lot of light to get inside the house. And then we have a slider in that room. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful floor plan. This is a massive kitchen island. Okay. Now again, as far as the cabinets, all the options have been picked out. You know, just shoot me a text. I will tell you all the materials that were chosen. Now for the spec home too, it's going to be on a 4,800 square feet lot. So that's actually going to be bigger than this lot itself. So the backyard is going to be a little bit more spacious. Also, this is Pretty cool feature here. So this would be a great little area to, you know, not get too distracted, to zone in, focus, do your homework, or if you're working from home, little good area to concentrate there. Yeah, the only thing I want to mention about this living room here too is, so this wall is kind of angled right there, right? So if you wanted to sit directly in front of the TV, you'd be watching it from this way, okay? Normally a lot of living rooms, like the TV will kind of be lined up like right here or straight ahead. But right here it'd be set up so you're looking diagonally. So welcome to the office space. Now for the spec home, it's gonna have an office space just like this. Normally, you know, if you were building from lot up, you could actually choose to make this a bedroom. So they offer this floor plan in other communities in the Southwest. So, you know, if you want to build from lot up, you could definitely do that and make this a bedroom. So you got your shower tub, nice little sink, okay, medicine cabinet. Beautiful kitchen. Love that it's spacious right here. Okay. I'm not a fan of tight kitchens, but I don't think anybody is, really. Yeah, it's very open right here. Now you're also gonna have your laundry room right here. And this is gonna be your door to your garage. Okay, so that's the first floor for you. So let's go ahead and check out the second floor. So the second floor is gonna have 3 bedrooms and it's gonna have a large game room. Okay, so this is also like the coat closet storage room right here. So when you head to the second floor, you know, you have like very high ceilings right here. And then this is what you see. This is gonna be the game room. So you're gonna have the game room. And then you're gonna have the bedrooms, the primary bedroom over there. So this is the closet. Okay, yeah, so normally this would be an option to make this into a bedroom as well. But again, the spec home, the last home they have available for the Franken floor plan, it's gonna be just like this. When I say just like this, that just means with a game room. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna have that fireplace. All right. So here's guest bedroom. So we got your closet. And this is pretty spacious as well. I mean, because this is a king size bed and you could definitely see that there's room on the sides. So yeah, this is a king size bed. So plenty of space. So you got your full bath, dual sinks. All right, so you have another full bath right here. Walk-in shower. So you have your linen closet. It's gonna be your second guest bedroom. Right, I would say this is probably an 11 by 12 room. Well, actually, you know what? Here, I do have the measurements. Like 13. Okay, yeah, so this room is, yeah, just about 11 by 12. And the other bedroom we were in right over there, that's going to be 14.3 by 11.6. Okay, now the game room also is going to be 24.9 by 12 feet. Okay, here's the owner suite. This is going to be a 17 by 14. So you have plenty of space, king size bed. Love the large window right there. Yeah, so the remaining lots here, they're going to be at minimum 4,800 square footage. So all of them are going to be a pool-sized backyard. Okay, here's your primary bath. Now, again, I'm not too sure exactly which bath is going to be in the spec home, but again, just reach out to me, guys. I will find that information out. And then also too, if you are interested in a new build community, you know, make sure, give me a call, shoot me a text. You know, I definitely would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're already working with a realtor, at least let your realtor know that you want to check out a new build community. Something you don't want to do is you don't want to go there by yourself on your own, your very first visit, because if you do that and the new builds, let's say they get your name and your email, what they'll do is they'll register you in the system. And once you're registered, they won't let you have agent representation down the road. The problem with that is the builder agents have a fiduciary relationship with the builders. So they look after the builder's best interest. We look after your best interest. So all the time, I always, you know, make sure I'm negotiating for my clients, making sure you guys get the best deal. I'm holding the builders accountable, and especially making sure that you get the max builder incentives. So, and plus the builders pay the agent fee. So it's definitely a win-win and a no-brainer. But yeah, that's it for the tour, guys. If you have any questions, again, reach out to me. But until then, I'll catch you guys next video.